shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
They have fish and chips in there. Fish and chips. We're in Hamilton Island and we're looking for fish and chips. So, ayan guys. Init. There's a bug here. So, kakain na kami ng lunch slash dinner. So, meron silang fish and chips and look at the cheese. Look at the rings. My God, so weird. So, kakain lang kami guys kasi gutom na kami. Parang ano siya, late lunch tapos dinner na din. The partner, ano sa kanya? Hamburger. Hamburger sa kanya. Okay.
Yum?
Yummy. Masarap siya guys. Mukbang to, mukbang. Hindi lang kasama si partner kasi si partner nasa kabila.
Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above.
I really consider it.
Wait lang.
This one's pushing his way through the crowd. Change it to him, bud. There you go. Look at the foot. I like the foot. The next one says, what about me? Come on, one, two. Thank you. And his mate, yeah. You gotta go all through it.
This one. Don't fight me.
Look at him. It's cute, isn't it? Look at them eating the chips.
Having dinner. I mind, isn't it?
The white one's cute. Must be, maybe that's the baby. Oh.
So cute. Cheers.
Cheers, big ears. Now to use their feet, and they look at them holding this little bit of chip.
I think I'm in trouble.
Right, but there's plenty of chips. Save the long ones for them.
No fighting. Listen, they don't have a sign no feeding the birds.
Don't feed the drummers. It's so cute.
My
Friends.
kids.
Another one coming there. Look, what I'm doing there.
I know, you become alive. Right, no fighting.
And move along. Look. Mine. Mine. Why don't they use their feet? They're so, like little hands on there.
Oh my god. So eating the other one.
It's cute as hell, dude. That was worth coming here for a long for that.
Yeah. So. Go. Like.
Good morning. So quiet until you leave. Freak out.
Yeah. Starting that one. I think. Oh, take it easy. Oh, you finished my food.
You eat some yourself, though. At least lemon, you do get
It's
that.
lemon. Ay, let's make calamari. No fighting.
No, move.
No fighting.
That one's left-handed. That one's left-handed. This one's right-handed. And this one's right-handed.
Good boy.
That's the original one, right here.
That one is a scary one because he likes to go in the middle.
But he's not going to bite you. He wants more.
Not
chips.
this one. It's mine.
Could have a kookaburra come in and clean things up too. Yeah, watch out for that.
Wait.
It's like a production one.
I don't know what's happening there, but if it's clear or not, it's sunny, good. It's not good, but it's fine.
Dude, the sunscreen carrot.
He likes to go in the middle. That one,
Those usually got a hand now too, so they're obviously multi-dextrous, yeah? Ambidextrous. Right at the end, finished.
I'm just going to eat real fast.
It's cute though. I hope it's getting it.
Down.
Extra blooming too.
You can't believe, isn't it?
Amazing.
Yeah, shot. I want to see it. Man.
You gotta eat some yourself, you beast. Eat your calamari, leave them until later.
I feel like they're gonna attack me.
The boys are done. They're not gonna attack you. They're not complaining. They're doing it. We've got that bit. I think we're full here anyway. They had a decent chewing.
No.
The one at the end had to move over, look. And the little one said, move over, move over. He's the bossless one. Whoa.
No!
Look at that crest.
Oh my god!
No, get out. Come on. Out. He's taking his own chicken chips. He's not waiting for it to be asked, that one.
Really, it's mad!
There's another one now.
It's here.
What's it, dude? Don't give me any more. Eat it. Eat your calamari before he comes back from there. He's coming back here. Give me this, I'll chase it away every time he plays. Out.
Look, he eat all of them! Oh my god!
Well, that didn't work. Eat your freaking calamari thing, dude. I think we need to move.
I didn't stop!
I think we need
Oh my god! Oh my god! That beast is... calamari. They attack me there.
The wild natives.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you in my next vlog.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.